You're invited to a log raising. Hey, I'm Josh Beasley with Honest Abe Log Homes. I'm standing in our events building at our national headquarters in Moss, Tennessee. There's nothing going on in here right now, but in a couple of short weeks, it's going to be a buzz. We're going to have people from all over the country join us here in Moss, Tennessee, and we're going to be doing a log raising. We're going to be building a small log building, small cabin here, and we're going to do it inside, climate controlled. This is on February 1st, so the weather can be a little nasty here in Tennessee, might be a little cool outside, but we'll be nice and warm inside. You'll have an opportunity to meet our team, get to know our product, understand what the process is of designing, getting your home manufactured, delivered, built, and so on. Get to ask all kinds of questions, spend time with us individually if you need to, things of that nature. So we will have the log raising event that morning. We're going to feed you lunch, free barbecue lunch. Can't beat that. There's nowhere to eat around here in the middle. We're in the middle of nowhere, so we got to feed you. So you'll have lunch. Right after that, you'll have an opportunity to tour our plant. And so you can go up and see how logs get turned into your log home. And we'll walk through the process of our manufacturing facility as well, let you get acquainted with all of that. So here it is, February 1st, our log raising. It's on a Saturday, starts at 9 a.m. Central. RSVP is required, so please give us a call or respond to an email, get signed up for that, and we hope to see you.